From ice cave to off-road masterpiece, Barnaby and Pip's mechanical revolution. Barnaby the polar bear, a connoisseur of combustion and a titan of torque, meticulously inspected the crimson roadster. His paws, usually adept at navigating icy floes, now deftly handled a micrometer, measuring the precise clearances of the custom-fabricated titanium connecting rods. Beside him, a scarlet blur of energy, Pip the otter, zipped between toolboxes, handing Barnaby the exact spanner before he even articulated the need. Their shared passion for internal combustion had forged an unlikely, yet incredibly effective, partnership. The genesis of the Arctic Fox. This wasn't just any repair, it was an ambitious overhaul. The car, a vintage British roadster, was being transformed into the Arctic Fox, a bespoke off-road marvel designed for the unforgiving polar landscape purely for theoretical joyrides, of course. The current sequential gearbox simply won't suffice for the low-range crawl we'll need, Pip, Barnaby rumbled, his voice a low growl that vibrated through the chassis. We'll be fabricating a bespoke planetary gearset with a dual-range transfer case. Optimal torque multiplication is paramount for traversing glacial moraines. Pip, wiping a smudge of grease from his nose with an almost surgical precision, nodded keenly. And the suspension, Barnaby. Those leaf springs are practically fossils. I've sourced some active electromagnetic dampers. They'll adjust instantaneously to terrain changes, offering unparalleled wheel articulation. Engineering for extremes. Their workshop, a converted ice cave warmed by a geothermal vent, hummed with activity. Barnaby, with his immense strength, effortlessly hoisted the engine block onto the stand. We're going with a dry sump lubrication system, he explained, pointing to the absence of a traditional oil pan. Standard wet sumps are prone to oil starvation during extreme off-camber maneuvers. Plus, it allows for a lower engine mounting, improving the center of gravity. Pip, meanwhile, was meticulously wiring the engine control unit, his slender fingers dancing across the complex circuitry. And for fuel delivery, Pip chirped, I'm integrating a multi-point fuel injection system with custom mapping for extreme cold starts. No vapor lock in our Arctic Fox. The exhaust system was another point of meticulous design. Barnaby, after careful calculations, opted for a custom-fabricated stainless steel manifold with equal-length runners, ensuring optimal exhaust gas scavenging and maximum power output. Back pressure is the enemy of horsepower, he declared, tightening a clamp with a satisfying click. These headers will provide a virtually unrestricted flow, allowing the forced induction system to breathe optimally. A symphony of gears and growls. Weeks melted into a blur of late-night theory sessions, shared mugs of fish-flavored tea, and the rhythmic clang of tools. The roar of the newly installed supercharger, a centrifugal unit chosen for its progressive power delivery, echoed through the cave as Barnaby meticulously fine-tuned the boost pressure. Pip, ever the innovator, had integrated a regenerative braking system, converting kinetic energy back into electrical charge for the car's auxiliary systems, a truly advanced feature for a vehicle of this type. Finally, the moment arrived. The Arctic Fox, gleaming under the workshop lights, was a testament to their combined genius. Its custom-reinforced chassis, its high-articulation suspension, and its monstrously powerful yet precisely controlled engine were all reflections of Barnaby's deep understanding of mechanical principles and Pip's ingenious electronic integration. As Barnaby gave the engine a final, satisfying rev, the growl was a symphony of perfectly synchronized gears and precisely timed explosions, a testament to the fact that even in the most unlikely of partnerships, the shared passion for engineering can transcend all boundaries.